The Montana Supreme Court heard arguments today in a long-running lawsuit over small solar energy projects in the state. MTN's Jonathan Ambarian takes a closer look at the issues.
On Wednesday morning, Montana Supreme Court justices held oral arguments in a case that could determine the funding available to small solar projects in the state. In 2017, the Montana Public Service Commission cut the rates at which small, independent solar projects can sell their power to Northwestern Energy. They also limited contracts to 15 years in length instead of 25 years. Renewable energy advocates and a solar power developer sued over the decision, saying it undercut laws intended to encourage these projects. A district court judge ruled in their favor. The PSC and Northwestern appealed the decision to the Supreme Court. They argue if the utility pays more for power from solar developers, their customers will be overcharged. They said the reduced contract length was better for ratepayers, but still enough to allow development.
We concluded that a 15-year term was sufficient to balance the Commission's responsibility to enhance the economic feasibility of qualifying facilities under the standard rate tariff.
But solar advocates say the PSC didn't take into account some factors that would have increased the value of solar power. They said the combination of lower rates and shorter contracts would make it almost impossible to finance solar projects.
At every decision point, the Commission took action to reduce compensation and reduce certainty for small renewables developers.
In Helena, Jonathan Ambarian, MTN News.
Justices will now take the case into consideration. They gave no indication on when they could reach a decision.